Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Gunja, and I hope you all are doing great and learn this language. So today in this video I'm going to discuss and tell you that many people have been asking that they can understand English very well but they cannot speak as they planned. So in this video, I'm going to tell you few steps, and these steps are just for only beginners and shy person. Yes, this video is just only for shy person just like me because shy doesn't mean that you are weak. No, you are not weak or fragile anymore. And shy people have a different perspective. I don't know why they have this perspective. Like whenever they try to speak, they feel hesitate because they think that shy means weak. No, shy people doesn't mean they are weak. Okay, it means they just reserved in their own way. So we just need to break out this scenario and try to speak, try to uplift our communication skills. So in this video I'm going to tell you few steps that gonna help you to improve your communication skills, to learn this language. So I'll tell you everything step by step for how shy person can improve their English. So the first step is learn basic words. Yeah, you need to start from scratch. Learn basic word means learn like food vocabularies, family vocabularies, and your home, your college vocabulary, school vocabularies. Like these are small words you need to understand first. Like action words: go, sleep, drink, eat. These are small words you need to try first. And once you comfortable with these words or these vocabularies, then make small sentences. Like you just need to one formula, and everybody knows this formula very well, I know. Like subject plus verb. Subject means I, you, we, she, it, they, and verb are actions verb: go, sleep, eat, find, fly. These, like I eat. This is a small sentence you need to speak and try to speak every day. This is very simple, very easy. This is not a big thing, and you don't need big or difficult words and difficult sentences. First you have to start with basic, very basic, because I also did these things in my earliest days. So just try to speak like I eat, I drink, I go, you go, they go. The small sentences makes a big difference in your speaking skills. So don't think too much that I am using small words. Okay, so this is the first step that you have to do, and this is mandatory. So now I am talking about the second step, and the second step is talking to yourself. This is sounds little weird, but this is very interesting and funny also in the same way. You just have to try to speak to yourself, and you can speak in front of video, in front of camera, in which whether you are comfortable you can do this. And but talking to yourself means you can speak about your day, about yourself, about what did you did, anything. You can choose anything, any topic, and just speak, just record yourself. And yeah, this is very easy, very simple, and you can do by yourself at home. You don't need a partner, family member, close friends in this. You just need to talk to yourself, that's enough. So this is also very simple and easy for shy person or a beginners. So now come to the third point, and the third point is describing the things in English. Yes, like whenever we go anywhere or whenever we see things surrounded by yourself, you just need to try to speak in English. Like if I tell you that behind me there is a bag, Okay, you just describe things surrounded by yourself, and you can see like I wear red cloth, I have a ring in my finger. Okay, and I see a car, I see light. Whatever you see surrounded by yourself, try to name them in English. It will help you to comfortable with that language, comfortable with words, comfortable with sentences. Okay, so this is how you have to speak or name them in English. It makes a big difference if you are a beginner. Literally, it gonna really help you. So try these small things. Like, people have this mindset, they have to speak fancy or advanced word, then they consider their English good. But speaking fancy or advanced words really doesn't matter. You just need to convey your message. If you are able to convey your message with others, and you have a understanding communication skills, that's enough for you. Like, I can explain the things and you can understand or listen carefully, that means I'm good and you are also a good. So this is the third point that you should follow. And now come to the fourth point: watched English content. You have to watch more and more English content. Once you get comfortable with English content, then try to speak. Like, you can watch anything like English podcast, English movies, and there are small English cartoons also there on YouTube. So you must watch these cartoons, and they are very easy, very simple, anybody can listen properly. So this is also, I would say, important. Listening plays a vital role in learning any new language, because this is the first step that everybody wants to speak English. Listening is just like you just have to sit and watch and listen what they are saying in the video. But there is a difference in listening also. You have to listen actively. When you listen actively, that's the real meaning of listening. And once you get comfortable with listening, then try to speak. While you listening anything, any podcast which is related to English, just try to listen one thing, then pause, then try to speak them in your own voice. This help you to get comfortable with your own voice. When you hear your own voice, you feel like, yeah, now I can do now this is very easy for me. And seriously, this will become easier day by day for you learn this language. And the last point is reading. And as far as I know, many people ignore reading. But reading might be boring, but although it is very important for beginner. And if you are a shy or beginner, as I already told you in this video, that this video is just for only beginners. So you must read simple English books. Okay, you can read class 5th, 6th, 7th English syllabus books. This will help you a lot. Reading gonna help you a lot. You can see immense improvement by just reading. Reading gives you a lot of things, like it gives you the right structure, it gives you the formation of the phrases, the right phrases, and it will help you a lot in your it will increase your vocabulary too. So there are many things you can just do by reading. So there are few things that you need to work on it if you are shy, because I also a shy person, and sometimes I feel introvert, sometimes I feel extrovert, but I think I am ambivert as well as shy. So yeah, this video might be helpful for you, and if you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe and support. I really appreciate your efforts, your love, your support that you have given me in my previous videos, and I really happy. So yeah, this is for all today. I will see you soon in the next video. So bye bye.